Hello students, so beta today we are going to start with the next problem from our topic, that was string handling. Okay children, if you will go through the last 5 or 6 problems children, you will come to know that we were working on the string handling programs in which children we were counting something upon the strings. Okay, for example, we were counting the number of words, we were counting the number of vowels and consonants in a given string variable, or children we were counting the vowel pairs, we were counting the consecutive alphabet pairs. So children, all those programs were meant for the counting purpose. Okay, now children, we are going to perform few general programming. For example, the we can see the question number 12 here in the sheet. Okay, and children, this program has appeared in the board examination as well in the year 2008. Okay, as it is marked here also. So children, see that what does the program say. It is saying that write a program to input a string and print out the text with uppercase and lowercase letters reversed, but all the other characters should remain same as before. Okay, and then one example is also given. Ki suppose that if the input is welcome to school children, you can see at the sorry, we can look at the input that the given string is having few letters in capital letter and few letters in small case, but when you will see the output you will find that all the case of these letters are reversed, means all the uppercase character now has turned to the capital case letter, and all the capital letter they have turned to the small case letter. Okay children, so it is a very simple problem children, if you know and if you remember the character handling functions which are used with the library class character dot, so then we can make this program very easily. Okay, so just look at the answer now children. See that class is given convert. After that you can see that public static void main scanner is defined. After that we are taking two variables children. Okay, the first variable is str. Okay, and the second variable is taken as res. Res stand for result. Okay, now children we move to the next part. Char ch integer I and len, few integer variables are taken. Char ch will extract the individual characters from the given string, and after that what is told, enter a sentence. So children, you can see in the program what is told, input a string. So children, you can either input a single word also, or you can input a sentence. Okay, so there is no problem in that. For example, here suppose if I input like this, Java. Okay, I inputted a single word here in this input, and after that move to the next line, len equal to str dot len, and then children I am executing a loop from 0 to less than len. So you know that the length of Java is 4 children, and all these characters are stored from 0, 1, 2, 3. You know that the index of these character will be 0 to 3. So first time you know that the value of I will be 0. Okay, so come inside, we are saying ch इक्वल टू एस टी आर डॉट कैरेट आई. तो बेटा ch में क्या होगा, आई वाला यानी जीरो वाला निकल आएगा कैरेक्टर, सो इट विल बी कैपिटल जे. ओके, आफ्टर दैट चिल्ड्रन सी व्हाट इज टोल्ड, इफ कैरेक्टर डॉट इज अपर ch. ओके ना चिल्ड्रन, सो इट इज आस्क्ड इज अपर. तो बेटा you know that what the function performs. Okay, is upper children, actually the name of the method is uppercase. Okay, so you have to add the case in this. In the same way here it is saying is lower, so it should be is lower case. Okay, so children, you will make use of the function like this, if the character dot is uppercase ch. Okay children, what are we checking here, कि if the extracted character is in capital case, if the j is in capital letter, yes, so you know that the if block will get executed. Ch equal to character dot to lowercase cs. So beta what will it do, it will convert the given character into small j, है ना. After that children, the control will not move to the else part, and it will move to the last line of the loop, that is result equal to result plus ch, means this small j will be added to the second variable, that is res. After that children, the loop will terminate, the control will move up. Okay, and again the loop will run I plus plus, the value of I will become 1. Okay, and children, when the value of I is 1, Again the control will come inside ch equal to str dot caret I. So now children, in the ch, the character of ith position, that is 1, will be extracted, that is small a. So you know now the value of ch will be small a. Again the control will move to the if character dot is uppercase ch. It will check whether the value of ch is in capital letter. No, children, you know that now the value of ch is small a. So the control will come to the else. In the else, now it will check if the character dot is lowercase ch. Yes, children, it is in lowercase. So now the else block will get executed. Ch equal to character dot to uppercase ch. So the small a will convert to capital A, children, you know, and the same ch will be added to the rest now. So okay, so capital A will be added here. Okay, children, again the control will go up I plus plus. Now the value of I will become 2. Ch equal to str dot caret 2. In the ch, children, it will fetch small v now. Okay, again it will check both the condition. You know that the second condition is true. Character dot is lowercase ch. Yes, beta. Small v is in small letter, so the else block will execute, and ch equal to character dot to uppercase ch. So the small v will convert to the capital V, and that will be added to the rest now. Okay, children, so now we can see that we have extracted 3 characters from the entered string, and all these characters are converted to their opposite case and added to the third variable rest. And now the loop will run for the fourth and final time. The value of I will become 3. I plus plus I will become 3. Okay, and again ch equal to str dot caret I. You know that the value of ch will be small a now, and it will be converted to capital letter. Okay, and this capital A will be added to the rest. After that, children, control will go up I plus plus. The value of I will become 4, but 4 is not less than len. As you know that the value of len is 4. Okay, now so 4 is not less than 4. Loop will terminate, and children, we will move out from the loop, and finally the value of rest will get printed on the screen. System.out.println rest. So children, it will print Java on the screen, and we can see कि now in the result, children, we can see that all the 3 small case letter of the word Java, now they are in capital letter, and the first alphabet, that was capital J, it has now turned to small j. Okay, children, so I hope that you got the answer. It was very simple one. The only thing, children, again I repeat, that you will make the changes in the program, that in the sheet, children, it is typed is upper, so you have to make it is uppercase, and in the same way each lower will turn to is lowercase. Okay, class, so thank you very much.